Welcome to N to W, the ultimate number-to-words converter that transforms numerical complexities into clear and concise expressions. Today, we'll take you on a journey through the features and functionalities that make N to W a game-changer in handling numbers. N to W is a program designed to convert numbers to words effortlessly, from -1 trillion to +1 trillion, and with precision down to trillionths, N to W has you covered for all your numerical needs. Let's delve into the powerhouse of functions that drives N to W. The validate input function ensures your numbers are in the right ballpark, neg handles those negatives like a pro, and input to word crafts beautiful words for positive integers. But N to W truly shines when dealing with decimals. The has fractional function spots any decimal parts, fractional part turns them into whole numbers, and ordinal adds that perfect touch for precise representation. Let's walk through the magic. Check the input, handle 0 gracefully, and seamlessly convert the whole part into words. When dealing with decimals, add the AND for clarity, convert the fractional part, and append the correct ordinal number. N to W is not just a program, it's a thoughtful solution. We use the decimal module for precision, break down numbers into manageable chunks, and ensure trailing zeros stay silent with a clever loop. But it doesn't end here. N to W isn't just a program, it's a tool that can seamlessly integrate into text-to-speech applications. Imagine having your numbers spoken aloud with the precision and clarity N to W provides. Looking to transform your numerical management? Dive into our video demonstration for a tactile understanding. Simplify your world of numbers with N to W because every digit demands recognition.